Hi, my dear student. Today we will study Snell's law, physics 10 grade. In this slide, there is title index substance. We studied what does it mean index. Index of substance is the ratio between speed of light in air or vacuum divided by speed of light in substance. That is mean the speed different from substance to another substance. Here, if you read here, there is three types of substance like gas state, liquid state, solid state, but should be transparent. All these transparent, all these substance. Okay. Look at gas like air, about one. Okay, but index in liquid 1 point something, 1.3, 1.5, yeah, more than one. Okay, index in liquid or in solid. Okay, look at diamond 2.4. Okay, look at glass 1.5. So in this case, what does it mean when we have index greater than 1? That is mean the speed of light in air is maximum velocity. But when enter to the substance like liquid, like glass, the speed of light will decrease. So because index is speed in vacuum or air divided by speed in substance, because the numerator greater than denominator, so n should be greater than 1. Let we study something about mathematics. Here we have three triangle functions in mathematics. We have sine x here, the angle is x. This is right triangle here, okay? Because this is 90, so sum this angle equal also 90. Okay, we talk about angle x, so sine x is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, cosine x adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan x opposite divided by adjacent. So this is three functions. We need a sine function with Snell's law. More about sine theta. When finding angle, measure use the inverse of the trigonometric function. Like sine inverse, cosine inverse, tan inverse. Here, look here at the left side. As I said, sine alpha, here alpha, sine alpha AB divided by CA. So why? Because opposite divided hypotenuse, as I said. Cosine alpha adjacent divided hypotenuse. So CB divided CA hypotenuse. Tan alpha CB, which is opposite tan alpha CB divided here tan alpha AB divided by CB, AB divided CB. Okay, listen, here we have example. This is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So when you say sine theta, you should divide 27 divided by 35. Why? Because opposite 27, adjacent 35. So sine theta divide 27 divided by 35. When you divide this number, so this fraction 27 over 35, this is sine theta, not theta. Again, this is sine theta, not theta. Theta unknown. Again, sine theta given, but theta not given. Unknown. Theta unknown. In this case, you have to take sine inverse this number. Sine inverse. Yani sine power negative 1, like this. 27 over 35. Then, in calculator, you have the bottom, same bottom of sine, but you have to click shift firstly. If any student does now use calculator, no problem. If you don't now, you can you can tell me to explain how we can use calculator to find sine inverse any angle. Okay, we use sine inverse to find angle. Here, this table maybe help you. See, this is angle 30 degree. So when we use calculator 0.5, 45, 0.7. See here angle, here sine of angle. 60, here angle 60. So sine 60 equal 0.86. The angle 70. Okay, sine 70 equal 0.93. 80, sine 80, 0.93. So this column talk about sine angle, sine theta, okay, theta as an angle, okay. But here we have sine theta, but we don't have theta. In a Zoom meeting, I will show you how we can find sine inverse 0.5. Of course, the answer should be 30. Okay, here we will find angle. Okay, so if you have sine angle, any angle, theta, sine theta equal 0.7. So which theta, how much theta? Theta should be here 45. I will show you, or you can use calculator. You can use calculator, click shift sine theta, click shift sine 0. Sine inverse should be 0.7. The answer it will be 45 degree. So why we use sine inverse in order to find theta, because theta unknown with 0.86 here 0.86. Okay, sine inverse 0.86 equal 60, like this. Why we talked about theta and sine theta? Because Snell's law includes n1 sine theta 1 equal n2 sine theta 2. Now here we have four factors. Here we have four factors. n1, the index of first medium. n2, the index of second medium. Many times we said that the condition, important condition to refraction happen should be two different mediums exist. Two different mediums exist. So we need two mediums different, and one different with n2. If n1 equal n2, so this is same media. There is no refraction. Okay, so we need to n1 index for first substance different with index of second substance. Okay, what is theta 1? Theta 1, this is incident ray. Look at this arrow, this ray. This is incident ray. The angle between normal and incident ray is incident of angle. Okay, here we have theta 2. What is theta 2? Angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Okay, here I see theta 1 greater than theta 2. So what does it mean? That is mean here the ray of refraction, this ray of refraction toward to normal. So that is mean the density n2 greater than n1. Okay, in Snell's law we deal with four factors: n1, theta 1, n2, theta 2. So if he asks about one factor, should other three factors given? For example, he asked about n2, should be n1, theta 1, theta 2 given. Maybe he asked about theta 1 unknown, should be n1, n2, theta 2 given. Maybe he asked about theta 2, should be n1, n2 given, and theta 1 also given. Okay, here we have example. Look at this example. We have incident ray. This is ray coming from sun. This is incident ray. Look here, this is incident ray. Incident ray located in first substance. Every time incident ray located at first substance. This surface, the boundary between two surfaces, between two substances. Refracted ray located in second substance. Again, incident ray located in the first substance, like here n1 equal 1. So first substance, it has index equal 1. This is normal. This angle is angle of incident, which is 30, given. So this angle given, n1 given equal 1. Okay, this is boundary between two substance, two medium, air and water. So here water n2 also given 1.33. Okay, I think remain theta 2 is unknown. What does it mean theta 2? Theta 2, it is mean the angle of refraction. This angle located in second substance in water, but I expect the answer here theta 2 should be less than theta 1, because theta 1 30 degree. I expect this angle should be less than 30. Why? Because the incident ray coming from air. So air, it has density less than water, or the index of air greater than index of water. So here more density. We expect that the refracted ray toward to normal. So here the angle should be less. If you remember, in the second state, when we have opposite situation, the refracted ray away of normal, but here toward to normal. Okay, let me start with the Snell's law. Snell's law help us to find theta 2. As I said, n1 given, n11, sine theta 1, theta 30. This is theta 1, angle of incident. 1.33, this is n2, sine theta 2. Theta 2 is unknown. After we multiply 1 times 0.1, this is 1.33. So using mathematics, simplify, he divided by 1.33. So here sine theta 2 equal 0.376. Again, this is sine theta 2, not theta 2. Again, this is sine theta 2, not theta 2. But we ask about theta 2, not sine. That is easy. You can use calculator, shift, click sine. The sign inverse appear in screen of calculator. So here 0.376, this is theta 2. Then the answer, it will be 22.09 degree. See, here I said should be less than 30. Less than 30. Why? Because this situation toward the normal. Okay. Here more examples. In this question, a light ray traveling from air into acrylic. Here we have angle of incident 48. Here theta I, or incident, or theta 1, you can say theta 1 48 degree. This is incident ray. Here in air, see, is that faster than acrylic. Acrylic slower. Okay, in this case we have two substances, n1 equal 1 already, because this is what this is air. Okay, The angle of refraction is determined to be 30. This is theta 2. This is theta 2. So three factors given. Theta 1, theta 2 given. N1 given. So which remain? N2 remain. What does it mean N2? N2 index of acrylic. The second substance, N2, it is index unknown. So we ask about N2. Come here after we simplify the Snell's law. N2 equals sine 48 degree divided by sine 30. Then N equal 1.49. Here homework. I did this table. Here you have N1. This is first substance index. N2, I'm sorry, this is N2. Again, I'm sorry, this is N2. This is second substance. Okay, N2 given, sometimes given, sometimes no. Here theta 1, yellow color, green color, theta 2. So in this table, each row represent a question. See here, N1 given, theta 1 given, N2 given 1.33. So here theta 2 unknown. Don't forget to find theta 2 angle of refraction. You have to use sine inverse. And the second question, N2 unknown. And the third question, theta 1 unknown. Last question, N1 unknown. I like you, my student, my golden son and daughter. I like you, I miss you, and I hope you get benefit from this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.